The 7.7 magnitude quake hit Friday, with the epicenter near Myanmar's second-largest city of Mandalay. It damaged the city's airport, buckled roads, and collapsed hundreds of buildings along a wide swath down the country's center. The earthquake cut through a vast and varied corner of Southeast Asia, sending terrifying tremors through rural villages caught in the middle of Myanmar's civil war, all the way to the glitzy high-rises of the traffic-filled Thai capital Bangkok. Shaking was even felt across the border in China's southwestern remote and mountainous Yunnan province. At least 144 people have been killed and more than 730 injured, the head of Myanmar's military government said, late Friday evening. Deaths have also been reported in Thailand. The United States Geological Survey (USGS) estimates the final toll could surpass 10,000 people, according to their early modeling, and that high casualties and extensive damage was likely.
รถขยุมเลยรถถัง
ถล่มหมดแล้วอ่ะเข้าไปล็อกที่ไม่ทันเลยอยากฆ่าบ้างไหมแต่มันร้อนอ่ะเนี่ยไปนั่งนู่นก่อนระวังรถ
Massive earthquake in Myanmar has passed 2,000, state media said Monday, as accounts of some people's last moments emerged. 200 Buddhist monks crushed by a collapsing monastery. 50 children killed when a preschool classroom crumbled. 700 Muslims struck while praying at mosques for Ramadan.